Hi, this is Asin. You are now watching Asin SL TV. Today, we'd like to share how to auto-save workbook in every preset interval. Firstly, go to Developer tab, click on Visual Basic, insert a module and start by giving a name. I'm going to name this Autosave, and we need two dummies. Firstly, the duration. This duration must be measured in terms of seconds. If we need 1 minute, then we should use 60 seconds. If we need 3 seconds, then we type 3. Next is to record the start time. I'm going to use the timer to initiate this timer. So what we have to do here is to introduce a loop. I'm going to use do loop here. Do while the timer is less than the duration plus the start time. So as long as it's not 3 seconds, then we should not save. And we should allow the user to use the workbook or edit the workbook. To do so, make sure we use DoEvents. This allows the user to edit while the timer is initiated. And we just have to loop. We will loop this until the time is up. Once it is up, we can instruct Excel to save the workbook. To do so, we use ActiveWorkbook.Save, and we should repeat this procedure again for every 3 seconds. So I'm going to call the procedure Autosave, and I'm going to use a message box as an indicator. So before the Autosave, we should use a message box so that we can see the result. Use quotation marks for string. So let's see the result. Click on Run. Every 3 seconds, we will be prompted a message box saying that the workbook is saved. Click on OK. Wait for another 3 seconds. Save. Wait for another 3 seconds. Save. If you want this to be done, once the workbook is open, go to this workbook. Under the object, we click on workbook and we call the procedure Autosave. So now let's save and close this workbook. So I'm going to open the workbook, enable the content, and the procedure will be initiated. Save. Another 3 seconds. Save. And users are allowed to edit as they wish, as we can see here. To stop the timer, we just have to go to Developer tab, Visual Basic, and stop the timer. Reset, as we can see. No more Autosave. Okay, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this. See you.